Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coins and Stamp to Watch. We have another unboxing here. I just bought a few items recently and I know it will be an interesting one. And first we can see, the lovely stamps. Some of the traders I bought collectibles also collect stamps, so these are some of them. Nice ones, eh? Right, we'll see what this is. I know it's another interesting one that you like. See what they are. This one. I think it's a coin. See what they are. Oh, here we go. Okay. So these are two old coins, and it is uncirculated. This one is uncirculated, definitely, and it's a rare one actually. And this one circulated. Yeah, I think it's both uncirculated. And you know, these coins are rare coins actually. These are coins of King Edward the VIII. You would know that this is rare coins because King Edward is the one who, excuse me, who abdicated the throne to marry an American lady, I think, and I think they live happily. But yeah, of course, you out of love, you give away the throne. That's and it's very very rare even to. I haven't actually heard anyone that abdicated the throne to be a king just for love, of course. But that's a great story. It's a great love story for me. Who would abdicate throne for the love of their lives? It's nice ones to see. This is British West Africa from 1936. It is uncirculated, and we can see here Edward the VIII, Rex at IND, King and Emperor of India, and it's a 1/2 penny. It's an uncirculated coin, and this one as well. See, this is the monogram of King Edward. Very nice. And this coin is from the territory of New Guinea. It's a 1 penny coin from 1936. Lovely coins, eh? Very lovely. So these are rare ones. Rare, very rare. Because yeah, he just I think he reigned for like a year or something, and yeah, then he abdicated. So it is a very nice love story, I guess, to give away the throne. Everybody wants to be king, I guess, but for love he didn't want it. And yeah, that's amazing. Amazing. All right, thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.